What's that again? What do you call this?
Okay, here's what's going on now. Chopped the hole in the wall there that has to be repaired now because the electrical wire was sparking on the inside, and the reason I know that is there were 2 nail holes in the wall or screw holes there, and when it sparked and when it made a boom boom sound, you could see the light show coming through those holes. It was not catching nothing on fire because all the walls are built out of cement board and stuff, so had to cut that out and get in there and check that and repair that. A lot of these are dead wires, and had to go up in that manhole area in the ceiling and repair what was wrong with it. Rats had bit into a wire and skinned it. It's had to be fixed. Enough to get by.
What else? Just toast and bread. Bread toast and egg.
That's the only thing you can come up with. Every time you get around that fish, it wants food. Every time that fish sees me, it wants food. He's like, break out the food, Jack. And also, these are run out. Put these on the wall. These are external breakers. The ones in the box are not external breakers. I run the external breakers out here like this because it can handle more power, and I'm doing more in this house, so I want these things. This one, I'm running a generator off of this one, and then these 3 are helping hands to this one because I'm also welding here. I have a MIG welder and a stick welder both, and among a boatload power tools and stuff, and just better that way. And yes, before any jackass is like, oh, look at the wires, look at this, look at that. It's 100% safe for any jackass out there that thinks they know everything but don't know nothing. Just learn stuff by watching YouTube but don't have any life experience. So before anybody makes a comment on how this is set up, get some life experience. Because every house I've ever lived in, stuff like this was set up and never had a problem. This was caused by rats, not stuff like this.
What's that again? What do you call this?
Smoke detector.
What?
Smoke detector. I'm putting some in. I don't know exactly how many, but I'm putting some in.
How many did you put up already?
I put 2 so far. I'm getting ready to put a 3rd one in the bedroom. Then I'm going to put another one in the kitchen.
Let's go check. You go in the bedroom. Why you put up some smoke detector?
We had problems twice with electricity. Once it was sparking inside the wall, but because the wall's made out of cement board, nothing happened. But still, there is some wood in this house, but not much. Can't burn cement. You can burn wood. There is some wood in this house.
Hi, cheese. Okay, now
they're really easy to install.
Let me go through first. Don't cook it. Okay.
They're really easy. This is a simple fire alarm. Nothing fancy because you don't need it.
What's inside?
Runs on this battery. This flashes every 30 seconds to let you know that it's working. It just flashed, so it'll be here in a minute for the flash again. It likes about 11 more seconds.
Okay.
And it also beeps when the battery runs down.
Should
So you
this-
know the battery this way. And to taste it, just push this in. But it also has got a warning that the battery runs down. And it's not hard to install. It's got a part of plastic that sticks out, so you don't have to do the tin plate or nothing. You put it on the wall like this, and then put it in here and just turn it. Simple.
Maybe we'll do it here so I can see.
Simple and easy.
Okay.
Just put it on the ceiling, put it in here, and turn it. And it locks in
like
place.
that. Okay. Why that red is working? What's that mean?
The red will flash every 30 seconds
For what?
to show that this is working.
Okay. I'll put one up there.
Comes with 2 screws. Putting them in a place where smoke is more likely to congregate.
Congregate on the ceiling.
Yeah.
You can reach it? Are you sure?
Plus smoke and heat rises. Oh, that ceiling's good to get stuff in your eyes. This ceiling's,
That's dusty.
no, it's flaking up. It's got that fucking paint on it. Once that's in there, hand me the fire alarm, would you?
Oh, I see some bulls.
There's no cover for this.
Why? So they get
Just
dusted
wait.
and start going back.
And then you just find out where the holes are, which are about here. Just twist it up. There you go. Bam. It's that easy. And you need a fire. Now, some fire alarms nowadays, they come, it's a good idea, but I didn't get them because they're a lot more expensive. When the fire alarm goes off, there's an LED light comes on so you can see. But these don't got it. These just regular
Regular.
smoke alarms.
How much that one? It's only.
I don't know. I got 6 of them. I don't remember how much.
I
they
think we
cost.
pay $30 for 6, right? Right? Yeah, I think it is.
Now let's put one in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. You're going to the kitchen now. I'm gonna follow him with my dogs. Come here, Chink. There she is. Let's go, Chinks. She's always guarded me. Let's go. Let's go, Chink.
Put one here and one over there.
2 in the living room. You don't.
There's already one in the living room. There's going to be another one later.
You already one in there?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Put the other
Oh,
one.
yeah, right there.
I'll put another one in the living room over on the other side. I think they got one left for that. I'll put one here and one down there because smoke will congregate in there.
You know I'm cooking there. If you put one,
It's got to be a ton of smoke.
it has to be tons of smoke. Smoke.
The cooking's that bad.
Okay. Say the box.
Here's the box.
A general purpose.
General purpose, not porpoise. A porpoise is an animal.
General purpose. 2,000?
Ideal for all
Ideal
areas.
for all areas. Missing already.
Said battery included, alarm test button, low battery warning, and photo electric technology. And when you take it out of the box, you get the smoke alarm.
Knock. Quiet knock.
When you take it out of the box, you get the smoke alarm, the pamphlet, and the screw-on use. All that stuff goes in the garbage. Take the screws out. Just rip the pack, take them out. And then find your
Ladder.
your battery. Pop this thing off.
It comes with the battery, right?
Pop that thing off. The battery's wrapped in silly thing.
I used to wrap with a wrapper. With a plastic
It's got a
wrapper.
condom on it.
Oh, lubat. Wait lang, lab. Wait lang, lab. Stop.
You still got enough time to get this. put the battery in and I'll wait till you change the battery. Well, that other one popped right off. Thanks to that camera. On the side, they're gonna have to.
What you doing, Ciara?
It is a chocolate and hearing my jump and red wine and blood that's a joke. Jesus, and put it in the
Ay.
These guys don't appreciate I'm broke, or I steal only what I can afford, for every acting song.
Hey, Aladdin is a sweet rat.
Aladdin's a street rat.
Steals food because he can't buy none.
Yeah. You wanna be a street rat? Okay.
Take the battery, pop it in the battery thingamajig.
Wait lang, wait lang.
You take the battery,
Okay.
then you run up on that fast before you get seasick. Then you put this into the battery in this little hole, not up here like this.
Okay.
Push it back in there, like that. Then when that's done, you're ready to install this piece here. And I didn't shake it yet.
You put in your pocket because I'm standing in here. Because I'll take a picture. Works.
Works. Put it in my pocket, tilly eye. It's pocket. That's a side of the pocket. This ceiling's easier to get stuff in.
Softer? Or because you can reach it?
This ceiling's made out of wood, the other one I think it's made out of cement.
That was wood? Really?
I think so.
Plywood?
I think it is.
It's softer, it's plywood then.
And you take out this smoke detector from your pocket. You line the hole, you put your fingers on these holes here, they're easier to find. But you put that in, pop it in, and bam, another smoke detector up.
Wait lang.